What if the medicine protecting your heart could also be putting you in serious danger? Many rely on Eliquis to prevent life-threatening blood clots, but overlooking its critical risks could have severe consequences. Today, we're diving deep into what Eliquis is actually for and the three key dangers you absolutely need to understand before taking it. Eliquis, also known as apixaban, is a powerful anticoagulant or blood thinner. Doctors prescribe it mainly to prevent strokes in people with atrial fibrillation, an irregular heartbeat, or to stop blood clots from forming after knee or hip replacement surgery, and to treat existing deep vein thrombosis or pulmonary embolism. It works by interfering with a specific protein that helps blood clot. While vital for many, this very action comes with significant risks. The most crucial risk by far is bleeding. Because Eliquis makes your blood less likely to clot, even minor cuts can bleed much longer. More seriously, it increases the risk of internal bleeding, which can happen in your stomach, brain, or other organs, often without obvious external signs until it's very serious. Watch out for unusual bruising, pink or brown urine, red or black stools, or severe headaches. Secondly, there's a serious risk of a spinal or epidural hematoma. If you undergo a spinal tap or receive an epidural injection while on Eliquis, blood can clot around your spine, potentially causing long-term or permanent paralysis. It's essential to tell your doctor about Eliquis before any such procedure. Finally, while less common, allergic reactions can occur. Symptoms like rash, hives, swelling of your face or throat, or trouble breathing are signs of a severe reaction and require immediate medical attention. Understanding these risks isn't about scaring you, but empowering you to have informed conversations with your healthcare provider. For more vital health information, click the video on your screen right now.